Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mojitos for a party. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need plenty of fresh mint, juicy limes, and a good quality white rum. Don't forget the sugar and club soda. Having all your components ready before guests arrive makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This method ensures consistent, delicious drinks every time. Now let's get to the heart of the mojito. In each glass, gently muddle about 10 to 12 mint leaves with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Be careful not to tear the mint, just release its aromatic oils. Then, pour in 2 ounces of white rum and fill the glass generously with crushed ice. This creates the perfect base.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding these mojito tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, after all that party prep, your car might need a refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your base is ready, it's time to finish your mojito. Top each glass with about 3 to 4 ounces of chilled club soda. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well mixed and the flavors are evenly distributed. Finally, add a fresh lime wedge to the rim and a vibrant sprig of mint for that classic mojito look and an extra burst of aroma. Cheers! For a party, batching is your best friend. You can premix the muddled mint, lime juice, and simple syrup in a large pitcher. Keep this mixture chilled in the refrigerator. When guests are ready for a drink, simply pour about 4 ounces of the premix into a glass, add 2 ounces of rum, fill with ice, and top with club soda. This saves so much time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.